Hello students, welcome back. Now this video onward we will discuss the further part of factorization. So let's start. Now student, let's solve the sum. Use factor theorem to factorize the polynomial completely. Now first of all, our polynomial is x cube minus 13x minus 12. Now binomial is not given. You have to decide by yourself. If I am substituting value of x as 1, this won't give me 0. So when I try for minus 1, you can do this part in the rough one. I will get the 0. So first I will find out my f of minus 1. So wherever x is there, I will substitute it as minus 1. So see what it is minus 1. This has become plus 13. This is minus 12. It will give the 0. So x equal to minus 1 has given me the remainder 0. So when I transfer this side, so my one of the factor is x plus 1. So therefore, x plus 1 is one of the factor. Okay. Now you can perform the synthetic division. First you have to write the coefficient. Coefficient of this is 1. X square part is missing. So that we will take 0. Now x part is minus 13. The last one is minus 12. We have taken the value minus 1. You know the method. 1 into minus 1 will give you minus 1. This will be minus 1. Together will give you 1. Minus 12. Then you are getting 12. So your remainder here is 0. Now you are asked to find first other factors. So your other factor here it is x square minus x minus 12. You require, it is a quadratic polynomial. Now you require multiplication 12, difference 1. So 4 3s are. So when you factorize this, one of your factor is x minus 4 and other will be x plus 3. So answer when you are writing your f of x, whatever they have given, is the product of x plus 1, x minus 4 and x plus 3. Now student, let's solve the next one. If x plus 2 and x minus 3 are the factors of the polynomial, find the values of a and b. So here a polynomial is given. X cube plus ax plus b. Both are the factor, means both will give you the remainder as 0 according to the factor theorem. Now one of the value is minus 2 and other value according to the next binomial it is 3. So what we will do, first we will find out f of minus 2. So you know you have to substitute value of x everywhere as minus 2. So when you solve this, you will get minus 8 plus minus will give you minus 2a plus b. Now since it is a factor, so remainder is 0. So therefore your minus 8 minus 2a plus b will be equals to 0. So when you transfer 8 that side, your 2a plus b equals to minus 8 will give you your first equation. Same way, you have to now substitute the value as 3. So it will be 3 cube plus a into 3 plus b. Now this time your remainder is now 27 plus 3a plus b. Again, this is also factor. So since your remainder is 0, so your 27 plus 3a plus b is also equals to 0. So this will give you the next equation, that is 3a plus b equals to minus 27. Now you have to solve both these equations by using simultaneous method. You can solve both simultaneously. You can utilize any of the method. Now I am showing with the elimination method. Now student, these are our two equations. In the first equation, by mistake I have written minus 8, but it will be plus 8. Just make that correction. Now we have to solve these both the simultaneously. I am using elimination method. So subtract second equation from first. You know how to subtract. So I am writing your first equation. Below that, I am writing the second equation. You know, when you are subtracting, you have to change the sign. This will become minus, minus, this will become plus. Now it will get cancelled. So your minus 5a will be equals to 35. So this will give you the value of a as minus 7. So you got one value. Okay. Now we will substitute this value of a in any of the equation. Suppose I am substituting a equals to minus 7 in first equation. So my minus 2 into minus 7 plus b will be equals to 8. Now this will give you the plus 14. When I transfer this plus 14 towards the right hand side, it will be minus 14. So your b value is minus 6. So your a is minus 7 and b is minus 6. Now student, let's solve one more sum. X minus 2 is a factor of the expression, that is our polynomial. It is given x cube plus ax square plus bx plus 6. It is a factor. So when you put the value of x as 2, your remainder is 0 because it is a factor. When it is divided by x minus 3, it leaves the remainder 3. So when you substitute the value of x equals to 3, your remainder is also 3. So this thing you have to keep in mind. First, I will proceed with the value of 2. So you know how to calculate f of 2. Wherever x is there, substitute the value as 2. So this will give you your remainder. So your remainder is now 8 plus 4a plus 2b plus 6. Now since in this case remainder is 0, so your 4a plus 2b plus 14 will be equals to 0. When you transfer 14 that side and reduce the equation with the table of 2, you will get 2a plus b equals to minus 7. This will be your first equation. Now second equation, let's take another color. Now same way, find out f of 3. Same equation, same polynomial you have to take. Now you have to substitute the value as 3. So a into 3 square plus b into 3 plus 6. When you substitute according to remainder theorem, you will get your remainder. It will be 27 plus 9a plus 3b plus 6. But this time, since your remainder is 3, therefore your 9a plus 3b plus 33, 27 plus 6 will give you 33. Now it is equals to 3. When you transfer 33 that side and reduce with the table of 3, your 3a plus b will be equals to minus 10. This will provide you the second equation. Now both the equation you have to solve simultaneously by any of the method. Now student, these are the equation we got earlier. Now I am again using the elimination method. Same way, subtract second equation from first. So you write the first equation. Then below that the second one. In subtraction, you know the sign will get changed. This will become minus, minus, this will become plus. So this will get cancelled. So your minus a will be plus 3. Transfer minus sign that side. So your value of a is minus 3. Now this value of a you can substitute in any of the equation. This time suppose substitute a minus 3 in the second equation. So my 3 into minus 3 plus b will be equals to minus 10. So your minus 9 plus b will be equals to minus 10. So your b will be minus 10 plus 9. This will give you the value of b as minus 1. So you can easily get the value of a and b. Only you have to just read. If it is a factor, remainder is 0. If it is not a factor, they will always give you the remainder. Students, thanks for watching this video. If you have any doubt, comment or mail. If you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.